Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP hasn't moved that much in recent weeks, so I did cover it less, focus more on the coins that have really been moving or the more popular ones, but it's worth covering ICP again. The overall structure here on the chart hasn't really changed, but I have made an addition, which is the white count. So you see the structure from the October lows here. The low point was formed at around $2.80, and we've seen in the yellow count a potential 5-wave move to the upside, as you might remember from the previous videos. So what we talked about was here a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be in the yellow count. That's what we want to see in Elliott wave. We want to see a 5-wave pattern to the upside, and then in the yellow scenario, the move down here initially was an A wave, the low after having 5 waves up, then a B wave rally, which appears to be in 3 waves. So best I can tell here is that this is a WXY structure. WXY, yeah, I'll take that off the chart again, but WXY in a B wave. And I mean, I have no evidence here for a top in place. B waves can overshoot, and a break below this swing low here, which was formed on the 28th of Feb at around $10.91, that would be a good indication that the C wave to the downside has started to unfold. The C wave would be a 5-wave pattern. However, there's also the, let's say, new count, which I added. It's a different scenario in which I'm counting 1, 2, this was 3, this was 4, this is 5. Color change. So 5 waves up, just counted a little bit differently. This is just a different way of counting, probably more like a diagonal pattern, a non-overlapping diagonal, because here the third wave looks more like a, well, actually, no, actually it's probably also potential impulse actually. The 5th wave, however, then would get ideally a few more movements to the upside, and the standard target range for wave 5 of 1 in the white count, that would be the area between $18.51 and $27.95. Why is that? Well, the ideal target range, if we count it like this, and I don't think there is the answer which one is the correct one, starting to lean a little bit towards the white count, but to be honest, the wave counts are very, very, very similar, and even the support area is very, very similar, so I just leave that one on the chart for both. But yeah, what we normally do to calculate a target for wave 5, we take the length of waves 1 and 3 together, go to the low of the wave 4, and then we measure here the target range. It's the 38.2 extension to the 61.8 extension. They're very common targets for a 5th wave. And yeah, the 4th wave in this scenario might have bottomed here on the 23rd of January. And ideally it's getting a few more squiggles higher, as you can see, because the 5th wave target hasn't really been reached yet. Once the wave 1 has topped in the white count and the wave 2 starts, or at least the C wave move to the downside starts in the yellow count, the support range could offer the possibility and opportunity for those who want to trade a wave 2 pullback to look for long entries. The support zone is defined between $4.13 and $8.50. It will move up together with the price if the price pushes a little higher in the white wave 1, because I have to adjust the support zone together with the price. It's something to be aware of. It's something for the watch list maybe, and certainly something that's potentially interesting. But at the moment, there is no sign that the pullback has started. And therefore, as I said, the white count seems probable as well. And if we push a little bit higher, then I would be watching in the white count for a potential reaction and a rejection and a move to the downside, which, however, then would need to break below the last swing low to confirm the beginning here, either of the white wave 2 or the C wave. And that swing low that needs to break is around $10.90. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.